let's go over the Jibbon premium leather key organizer. I'm going to go over this key organizer, what I like about it, what can be improved about it, and talk about if this is a key organizer that you should pick up. So let's just first have a look at the organizer itself. So of course, it does have the Italian leather here. It is genuine top grain leather from Italy. So personally, I have had this for 4 years. So this is what it looks like after 4 years of daily use. I can definitely confirm it that it is real leather and it has lasted really well. So let's just take out the keys. So this does hold 3 to 9 keys. It comes with 2 different threads in here. I'll go ahead and show you that in a minute, that hold different amounts of keys. Let's go ahead and open it up so you can see. Just pop off the top just like this. So it's a little dirty on the inside. Again, I've had this for 4 years. And we can see the little cap and the little thread. So that's what the thread gets attached to the actual key organizer. And you stack in your keys there. And of course, you have the little loop on top so you can add it to any keychain that you want or attach it anywhere. So personally, what I love about this is it keeps your keys organized. I was so tired of having my keys just flopping everywhere. And this just keeps them nice and compact. I don't think I'm ever gonna not use this. If this somehow breaks, I'm just gonna buy another one of these. I absolutely love it. It just saves so much space. And just having this in your pocket compared to just a bunch of keys just hanging loose everywhere. It just pokes you in your pocket. It's just annoying. And just having it in one simple leather key organizer is really amazing. The one thing I would improve about this is very minor though. It's just how tight you can get the actual thread. So it will adjust how loose or how tight the keys come in and out. Since it's going to open it back up again. So if you have it off to the side a little bit, it's not going to really fit. So personally, I would like it just a little bit tighter. The keys in here, they're just a little bit too loose. It's not that big of an issue, but getting the exact tightness would be hard to do with this. Depending on the number of keys that you have, the thread that you're using, that could also affect this. So if I had one less key, I could probably crank it another rotation and it would be fine. But at least for the amount of keys that I have right now, I would just like it to be a tiny bit tighter. I just have to keep it in this position for it. So let's have a look at what the actual thread is. Go ahead and take it out. Simply just unscrew it from the top here. All right, so there is the actual thread or screw. And then here is the Jibbon just by itself. Let's go ahead and put the keys in. So it fits all types of keys. As you can see, these have different types of holes, like a normal key with 3 different slots, just single slot, different shape here, no problem at all. So go ahead and put these on, put this one on the bottom. Okay. And just stack them. Keep them lined up so I can easily put the screw in. Okay, just like that. Just go ahead and screw on in all the way until it's tight, just like that. And again, you have to have it lined up. So you crank it even more. Okay, and then just push in. You'll hear the snap, and then you're good to go. So personally, I love this thing. I'm always going to continue using a key organizer. It's a great premium leather feel to it. High quality leather. This is the use after 4 years, still looks new, saves a ton of space, and is so much less of a hassle with having a key organizer like this. So definitely check out this key organizer.